Hi guys, it's Shreya here and welcome back to my channel, My Perfume Diaries. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the very famous and the viral fragrance from Ajmal, and this one is Ajmal Cyan Oud. Now, everyone on the internet at some point of time was talking about this fragrance, and this perfume gained its popularity amidst the popularity of another fragrance from Latafa, and that was Khamra Waha. Everyone was talking about Khamra Waha, which is also a blue bottle from the Khamra series. I'll pop it here for you to see. Everyone was talking about it, but it was hardly available in India. And very few pieces were available in India. That's where Ajmal Cyan Oud came into being. And suddenly the paradigm shifted from Waha to this fragrance. Let's find out what this fragrance is all about. Let's begin with the video. Before we do so, make sure कि आपने मेरे channel पे subscribe कर लिया है, you hit the bell notification and you follow me on Instagram. And now let's get started. Let's talk about the packaging. It comes in this cardboard box which is white and cyan blue in color. And Cyan Oud is written right here with Ajmal logo and some textured pattern. And behind you have all the details with a quality assurance sticker. Now this particular variant is 100 ml bottle and this is available at 2500. That's the MRP. I have purchased mine from www.spraycart.com. I do have a discount coupon code if you are interested in purchasing from that website. I compared the price of this with other websites that it was available at, and I just felt that Spraycart had the best deal and the best offer, and with a coupon code it just became more better. Got it around in the range of 1700 in discount, which I felt was a steal deal. The link to Spraycart India in the description box, and I'm also going to leave the details of the discount coupon code if you're interested in purchasing. Now this is just a sleeve and ultimately the box looks like this. So now this is the interesting part. मैं जब भी इस बॉटल को ओपन करती हूँ कभी सक्सेस नहीं होती. एक बार आपके सामने भी ट्राई करूंगी. It kind of opens like this. Otherwise whenever I flip it open, perfume bottle गिर जाती है. But this is how the packaging is. This is how it is sitting. It's unique and kind of saves paper in some way. But I really like how simple, the packaging and everything is. Now, the bottle is also very simple and straightforward. Nice blue frosty bottle that screams marine and summer vibe, and details in white. A nice textured white cap, and the atomizer is silver in color and sprays the product really well, as you can see here. Now, this is a very modern, very classic fragrance that kind of like blends and bridges the gap between two perfume categories, which is like a marine fresh and a woody oriental base. It's like a love child of these two things. This one is said to be inspired by Xerjoff's Herba Pura, and I definitely see that vibe coming in, but it has a twist to Herba Pura. So this one kind of opens up with very vibrant fruity nuances, bergamot, oranges, mixing up with lots of marine nuances, like proper watery marine notes are present in the top notes. Kind of gives you that freshness of like splash of water on your face, or like drinking a lemon mojito. That freshness, that feel that you get, that's how the opening is. Has a very prominent kind of like a watery aquatic opening to it. Then it kind of goes into the floral and soft spicy nuances. Here the florals are also mixing up with some candied nuances, like it feels like the flowers are not very fresh. They are sort of dipped in sugar and dried and then crumpled into the water along with some fruit juices. That's the kind of feel that I get. These floral and fruity nuances are kind of mixed with the marine notes. Then it has some soft spiciness, a hint of oud, because like the name suggests, it is Cyan Oud. So it's like a watery oud, that's what it translates to. So it has oud and it has some musk, white musk, which kind of brings in a lot of clean girl vibe or a clean guy vibe in this fragrance. It's a perfect unisex kind of a fragrance, very modern, unisex, and something that you can wear all year around during daytime. Of course, it does the best during summer season, there's no doubt about it, but all year around daytime wear, I think you can perfectly rock this fragrance. Is this DNA very unique to my nose? No, it's not. It kind of is like a woody mineral version of Herba Pura from Xerjoff, and I've had that experience with that fragrance. So it's not like a very unique blend to my nose. People who already have Xerjoff Herba Pura, you do not need to purchase this or repurchase this. And it's kind of like a repetition if you already are aware of the marine fruity floral kind of a fragrance. But if you do not have something like this and you cannot afford a Pura, you're on a budget, Cyan Oud is kind of like a very good and a very safe blind buy in my opinion. This is the kind of fragrance which could be a family perfume. Men can use, women can use, college girls and boys can use. So it's like a very unisex, a very universally flattering appeal kind of a fragrance, and everyone in the family can enjoy one common scent, you know. So that makes it very user friendly, and it's easy on the pockets, and it performs decent. Around 6 to 7 sprays of this fragrance gives me around 5 hours of longevity. And of course, if I want to go a little overboard with the longevity and stuff, I'll just overspray this and get the job done. You can see the dent that I've given to this fragrance. I've been trying this for almost 2 to 3 weeks now, and I am quite impressed with the way it has performed. Went to office wearing this, and it was a very nice fresh experience. I did not get complimented on this fragrance because it's not a very loud fragrance. It's a freshy fragrance which kind of works decent, does not create a massive scent bubble around me or leaves a perfume trail. This is something which is kind of like mediocre in performance and mediocre in the way it projects, but it always gives me a clean girl vibe because I can get the soft wisp of this fragrance throughout the wear. So I'll say that this performs soft. It's good for people if you have migraine and headache. It's not on your face, a strong kind of a fragrance, kind of like a nice mellowed, fruity, floral, aquatic sort of a fragrance that is very easygoing. Overall, for the price point and for the way it performs and for the way the scent profile is, I quite like it, and this is one of the good releases from Ajmal, and I did enjoy it a lot. It gets a rating of 8 of 10 because I just feel that they could have gotten more creative with the launch, perfume launch. Plus, I just feel that it could have been more performing in terms of the way it projects and the way it lasts on my skin and clothes. So this gets an 8 out of 10. It's a nice freshy fragrance, and it's a good vacation fragrance as well. Kind of reminds me of a tropical vacation, vacation in Goa or Andaman, something on those lines. I think it's very friendly fragrance to be worn all year round, and something which kind of is a people pleaser. Like, I don't see people hating on it, you know. That's the kind of fragrance that this is. So overall, that's my review on Ajmal Cyan Oud. I hope that you enjoyed watching my review and my thoughts around this fragrance. With everything going viral these days, at least this fragrance is available under 2000, unlike the Arabic fragrances. So I like it, I recommend it, and it's an easy reach, easygoing fragrance. Okay, so that's my thought, and that completes today's video. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you did enjoy this review, give it a like, hit the like button, do subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram, and I'm gonna see you very soon in my next video. Bye.